Alright, y'all. Welcome to the channel. Welcome back to the channel if you've been here before. My name is Liz. I'm a single mom living here in Erie, Pennsylvania. I have 5 kids and 3 cats. Well, I only have one of my children here with me today, Amora Star. Right back there in the back seat, looking all cute. I don't know if y'all can see her, but right now it's Sunday, and it's 5:18. We're about to head down to the peninsula, Presque in Erie, PA, to go check out what's going on down here with Discover Presque Isle. All right, guys. All the mirrors open. There's a lot of people there too. I want to take the kids there before the summer's over. Faux show. Look at those guys up there having a good time. About to go down that water slide. So me and Amora found a spot down here at the peninsula. There's really not that many festivities going on down here. I think we mainly missed all of them, but I never showed you guys down here before. I almost did, but my phone died that one day that I told you me and the girls walked down here and got ice cream. Because there's like a little bait shop down there. But so this is the marina, or one of the marinas down here at the peninsula. But fun fact, this is the location where I actually caught a seagull. Yeah, guys, you heard that right. I cast out my line right over here. Right over here where this guy is standing. I literally cast out my line and literally hooked the seagull while it was flying. Okay, guys, I cannot make this up. I hooked a seagull, but don't worry. We got it up. Me and my ex, Jim, when the dude I was with at the time, he helped me get the seagull off the line, and the seagull went free. But yeah, true story. True story. What is this guy doing? Is that motorized? They got some nests up here. I think those are like some type of sparrows. It is beautiful. This is a beautiful spot. Sheesh. I don't know why I don't even never come here. This is gorgeous. I'm about to show you this other guy out here. Hold on. That's the same guy, I guess. That's the same guy. What is that? That's weird. That's crazy looking. Cruising. Look at the duckies. You see them? Say hi, duckies. Hey. Aw. They're going off. Go swimming away.
Whoa! Whoa! Come on. Whoa!
Ready? Ready? Trying to get your drink? There you go. So guys, I'm just hanging out with Amora, pushing her on the swing. I don't know what else we're gonna do today. I gotta figure out something to cook for dinner. Probably just gonna cook something that I already have at the house. Yeah, guys. Like I said, sometimes I get stuck on what to do, like when the kids are with their dad, like, but I can't really beat myself up because I'm like doing like what I can. So I did what I could in the house. You know what I mean? I did what I could. I had to get out of the house, period. So that's why I'm out here enjoying the sunshine. Well, wow. So these people back here are smoking a hookah. Everybody's doing their thing. There's some grilling going on back there, which I can smell it. It smells good. It's making me hungry. Does that smell good? So yeah, I don't have too much battery left on my phone, but we'll see what we can do here. So guys, I just stopped the swing and tried to get Amora out, and she did not want to get out yet. Amora, you like being in the swing? You could be in here all day, huh? I'm gonna take a little stroll over here. A little walk. There's a little pond over here. People fishing out here. Usually you can see some fish in the water. There's lots of lily pads. Lots of lily pads. Ooh, it smells good. It smells like somebody's grilling. Girl, why'd you do that? Girl. More saying hi to the fish. Aww. Say hi, fishy. Adorable. A lot of seaweed. A lot of seaweed. Where you going? Huh? So we're back from Presque, me and Amora. Yeah, I tried to get her bottle out of there with my tripod thing and I couldn't get it. So yeah, I was kind of upset about that, but there was other trash in there too. So hopefully, like, since it was like a festival this weekend there, hopefully somebody cleans all that up. So yeah, just wanted to let you guys know that I did try to get it back out. So yeah, hopefully this video was long enough, but if you enjoyed this video, look at Lily back there. If you enjoyed this video, leave a fish emoji in the comments, all right? And if you got to the end, leave the fish emoji. All right, guys, I love you so much, and I'll see you on the next video. Mwah.